There's the horse right there. Water pump. This is the horse riding area, but there doesn't seem to be anybody there. There is a horse. Actually, we'll go see the horse, I guess.
Huh?
We're not gonna go riding. They're asking if you want to go. Nice arbor, I like that. And what you do is you just go down here and they load you up on the horsey, who's over here taking a break, and they just walk you around. It's pretty cool. You can see it's hot today. Sweating. Mix of sweat and sunscreen in equal parts.
Bye-bye, horsey.
Bye-bye, kabayo.
We're not going there.
Amping, ingat, halong. Janice looks like Abu Sayyaf.
It's hot.
It is hot. The sun's brutal. Now, one thing you do when you come to Rabbiton is you can get umbrellas. And we should have got one, just as sun parasols, because the sun is pretty strong today. You just gotta give them a deposit. I think it's like 50 pesos or whatever. And then they give you a deposit back when you bring the umbrella back. Let's go check out the bunny jail. Alright, so this is the Rabbiton house. This is where they breed the bunnies. And yes, I did go back and get umbrellas because it's just too hot today. So, this is purpose-built for rabbit breeding. You can see it's still got the concrete floor is covered with dirt so they can clean it up easily. And they just got hundreds and hundreds of bunnies here. And they take pretty good care of them. It's actually nice and airy in here. They got the ceiling insulated. And we're gonna be eating bunny later on, but they do take care of the bunnies up until they kill them and serve them to us.
These are the two disabled.
They're disabled?
Yeah, they cannot stand.
Oh.
The legs doing like this.
I wonder if we're still gonna eat them. Probably. Zoe's talking to the rabbits. Uh-oh, Zoe opened a rabbit hutch.
Close it, Zoe.
Open, close, open, close, open. Hey, buddy. I'd like to bust you out of here, but they're watching me. But if I could, I would, because you seem like a nice bunny. I'm sorry what's gonna happen later. Hopefully it won't be you. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, give it to me, baby. I love you.
Rated SPG.
Ain't much else to do in jail. She doesn't look like she's really into it, dude. So if you've ever been to Angeles City, this is pretty much what it's like. Y'all done? Good job. High five.
Look at the fur of that Rabbiton.
Wow, looks like a chinchilla. Wow.
He's chasing him again. Her again.
Just stop. Really? Again?
He's unstoppable.
Look at the size of this guy. He's a giant Flemish. What do they speak in Flemish? Is it French? Swiss? I don't know.
Oh, the baby!
Oh, little baby bunnies. I got some bad news for you guys. They're gonna eat you. Spoiler alert. Yay. Aw, so cute. Hi. Congratulations. Alright, and after a big long walk up the hill, getting attacked by peafowl, we've arrived at Rabbiton. Unfortunately, they're all up under the bamboo because it's freaking hot. And you can see one over there. He's looking pretty scraggly. Looks like their wool has turned into dreadlocks, basically. And there's some goats over here. That's a nice big fat healthy goat over there.
There's the one sheep looking at us.
One sheep staring us down. Baba black sheep. Baba black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. So it's officially Habagat. Habagat is the monsoon winds from the northwest. This is why there's absolutely no breeze up here now. We lost a Mihan. A Mihan is the trade winds coming from the northeast. which is the nicest part of the year here in the Philippines. Habagat is the most miserable time here in the Philippines because there's no breeze, because the breeze can't get over the mountains. And you can tell it's Habagat because I was driving by the airport the other day and the plane was landing east-west instead of west-east because they like to land into the wind. Whew, it's hot. So Rabbiton was a little bit of a disappointment.
Because it's new.
Yeah, it's new. Yeah. And they actually moved all, there's some areas where you can rent a crew boat. Well, it's actually a little nipa hut overnight. And they actually moved them to another location. So we're gonna head back down the hill now. We're on the edge of Chickenton here. And they think we have food for them. But we don't. Chichai's calling them. That's a big rooster right there. Yeah, there's a lot of peafowl. Those are good eating. Man, the goose are coming in very aggressive. The geese are coming in they're coming in hot. They're coming in hot. We got a hot LZ. We'll check this on the other side in a minute. I noticed that they're burning stuff, which is strange because you would think they'd have like a mulch pile somewhere. I mean, sometimes you have to burn stuff because in the Philippines the stuff just grows so fast you can't get rid of all your yard waste. But I'm surprised they're burning and not mulching it. Zoe's tired.
Do you want to go with me? I'll bring you home. Want to play with Bridget? And Eep? Or Deaf Cat? Or Kent can hear you. Hello, say hi. Say hi. No. Achoo, that's you. Just sneeze. Achoo.
Alright, we're getting ready to eat lunch and they're cutting grass, so sorry about that, but hey. Zoe's so tired. And Zoe fell down in the mud. Woo! And you got some mud on me.
She's showing you how. I fall down like
You fall down like that?
Ah! Show Daddy again. How
You fall down?
How did you fall down? How did you fall down?
Ah! Fell down like that.
Nice water.
In the rabbit mud.
Thank you. That's water.
Oh, too big. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yay, too big. Change clothes. Hop, little bunny, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunny, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunny, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunny, hop, hop. What's up with that face?
Oh, you have now?
So we got Zoe down to her because it's freaking hot today, man. It's too hot. We shouldn't have come here. It's just too hot. I had to take off my rabbit ears. Hop, little bunny, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunny, hop, hop, hop. Alright, these Rabbiton t-shirts are really nice. They're cheap also. They say this is going to fit me. I'm going to try it on and I'll see if it fits me. It's XXL, but it might be Filipino. Well, I'll try it on. Okay. Alright, so this is XXL Rabbiton shirt, and it's not really working out. This is Filipino XXL. This is why when you're a foreigner in the Philippines, you got to make sure you bring your own clothes when you come here because, nah, it's not working.
It looks good on you. The white looks good on you.
White looks good on me?
Yeah.
Now if they had an XXXXL, that would work. I'm just a little too chubby for this. Alright, our lunch has arrived and Zoe is eyeballing her banana shake. That's what she's having for lunch. So we got 2 rabbit adobo, the 250 pesos each, that's $5 each. Janice got the pancit canton for 100 pesos, that's $2. And the banana shake was $2. And we got some free glasses of juices, that cranberry type juice from that thing. Oh man, I almost got hit by this thing. So we're gonna eat lunch. We're basically done with Rabbiton for the day because Zoe is tired. She really likes her banana shake though.
She'll very requested to get it.
So this is Ned.
Chichai, Janice, And Zoe.
Zoe. And we'll see you next time. Puppies, rainbows, unicorns, and rabbit adobo. This stuff's really, really good for all. See you next time on My Philippine Dreams.